Hello and welcome to Sawdust and Cornbread. I'm so glad you're here. Over the next 6 days, I'll bring you inside some of Montgomery County's most charming historic homes, each lovingly decorated for Christmas. As we explore together, you'll find inspiration, thoughtful decorating ideas, and the cozy feeling of the holidays. This series is all about slowing down, enjoying the beauty of the season, and making simple memories that last. If something brings a smile or sparks an idea, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Your stories make this community feel like home. You can say thanks by liking, sharing, and mostly by tapping the hype button below the video. This helps me spread the holiday cheer even further. So pour yourself a warm cup of tea or cocoa, settle in, and let's enjoy the 2025 Holiday Home Tour together. I hope this series brings you a sense of peace, comfort, and holiday cheer. Built in 1928, the Roop House was constructed by Redmond Roop, who served as Commonwealth Attorney General for 31 years, the longest on record. The Colonial Revival style house was built using a rare type of yellow brick only used in a few dwellings in town. Over the years, the building was split into 4 apartments, but has been converted back into a single-family dwelling. The gracious owner offered preacher cookies to all of the guests traveling through. Like many of the best desserts, preacher cookies have southern roots. Legend has it that these quick-to-make cookies got their name from unexpected drop-ins from the local traveling preacher. Homemakers would see the preacher on the horizon and whip up a batch in time to greet them with a treat at the door. this concludes our brief tour of the Roop House in Christiansburg, Virginia. Be sure to check back tomorrow as I join you for the final tour in this historic holiday homes series for 2025. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, and God bless.